Hello. In this video we are going to explain the Odbc error 1400. A common error if we fresh install a new version of Pets Professional or Expedition is the Odbc error 1400. So let me reproduce the error message by opening the databook and opening a library. An Odbc error occurred, invalid Odbc alias sample 1400. So in this particular case, the error message tells us that the Odbc alias named sample cannot be found. We can click OK, and the login ID and password here are relevant, so we can ignore them and click cancel. The first thing we have to check is if we have defined at all the database in the Odbc Data Sources Administration of Windows. For the newer versions of Pets Professional and Expedition, which are a 64-bit version, we have to open the 64-bit version of the Odbc data sources. If we use a 32-bit designer, we need to open the 32-bit version of the Odbc data sources. If we do not know which version we are using, we can check under Help and About. So in this case, we open the 64-bit version, and we are searching for a database called sample, since the error message has shown us that the sample database cannot be accessed or cannot be found. So we do not find the sample database here, so we have to add it. So we click Add and click our type of database we have. In this particular case, it's an access driver. So we click Finish, and we have to add the sample database that this particular database configuration file is pointing to, and it was a sample. So we type sample as a name, and we have to define also the correct path to the database. We click OK, and we save the settings. We then reopen the databook, and we can see that our database is correctly configured. If the problem remains, there may be other reasons that provoke this error message. Maybe the Access database has changed name and we must refer to the new one. You can find more information and other possible causes to the knowledge base article MD72226 in the support side of Siemens. Thank you.